In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your status to working remotely in Slack. This is a quick and useful update you can make whenever you want your team to know that you're not in the office, but you're still available and getting work done. Keeping your Slack status current helps set expectations, improves communication, and makes it easier for coworkers to understand your availability at a glance. To get started, open Slack and look toward the lower left corner of the screen. There, you'll find your profile area. Click on your profile to open the account and status options. This is the main place where Slack lets you manage how you appear to others across your workspace. Once that menu opens, click on Update Your Status. This will bring up the status window, where you can choose from preset options or customize your own status message. In this case, we're using one of Slack's built-in choices, which makes the process even faster and keeps the message clear and recognizable for your team. From the list of available status options, click on Working Remotely. Selecting this status adds the appropriate label so other people in Slack can immediately see that you're working away from your usual office location. This can be especially helpful for hybrid teams or remote-first workplaces where visibility and communication matter. After choosing Working Remotely, the next thing to do is set the duration. This part is important because it tells Slack how long the status should remain active. You can choose a preset duration, like for the rest of the day, or another time period that fits your schedule. Setting the right duration helps prevent outdated statuses from staying visible longer than intended, which keeps your profile accurate and professional. Once you've selected the duration that works for you, click Save. That applies the new status and makes it visible to your coworkers right away. At that point, your Slack profile will show that you're working remotely for the time period you selected. And that's it. Your status is now updated. As a final tip, it's a good habit to review your status whenever your work location or availability changes. A small update like this can reduce confusion and make team collaboration smoother throughout the day. Thanks for watching. And now you know how to change your status to working remotely in Slack.